Hey guys, this is Mary Stone, and this week, week 3 of Server Administration, we are going to be discussing the Windows Server Core PowerShell. Now here's the discussion question. It says, depending on your point of view, PowerShell can be a wonderful tool or a dreaded foe. It does seem odd that a system built around ease of use and graphical user interfaces would have so much administration tied to a command line interface. What are your thoughts on this? What are some advantages of using PowerShell, and what are some disadvantages of using PowerShell? Now, start off with PowerShell is a command line environment used to manage a Windows Server system. In comparison to the GUI, or the graphical user interface, PowerShell and Server Core in itself uses a lot less processor cycles, and it has a smaller footprint in the RAM, which means that PowerShell improves the server performance. It also allows you to automate Windows administration tasks using scripts. So say you need to go around your company and update the company's name on user computers. Say you have about 5 to 10 users. It's no big deal to go to each individual system and update the company's name. But say you have about 5,000 users or more, it would be a big time-consuming process to go to each individual computer and update them. So using the automated part of PowerShell, it is a big plus. Now, PowerShell uses commandlets, and the good thing about commandlets is that they're not case sensitive, but when you're installing something and it has a name, those names are case sensitive. Commandlets have a option that is named get help. You type get-help and then you follow it by the name of the commandlet you need help with. Server Core in itself is actually less software to maintain. It has fewer updates because it doesn't have all the GUI stuff. And using PowerShell offers less of a chance to incorrectly configure your settings. And the only downside to PowerShell I see is the time it's going to take to get used to it. But once you get used to it, it's basically the same. It offers the same options as your GUI counterpart.